In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Your Connection is Not Private error in Google Chrome. Encountering this error can be frustrating, but there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve the issue and get back to browsing smoothly. Let's walk through each step to ensure you can address this problem efficiently. First and foremost, a very simple fix might be all you need. Sometimes this connection error is just a temporary glitch. What you can do is refresh the page to see if that clears the issue. Simply click the Reload button, which is located next to the address bar in Google Chrome. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key on your keyboard for a quick refresh. Often, just refreshing the page might resolve the issue and save you from going through additional troubleshooting steps. If refreshing the page doesn't work, the next step involves clearing your browsing data. Sometimes, cached data or cookies can interfere with the secure connection. Start by clicking on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of Chrome. From this menu, navigate to Settings, and then look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option to clear browsing data. Clicking on this will open a dialog box that allows you to specify what kind of data you want to clear out. For the purpose of resolving this error, you're going to want to choose the time range, all time, to ensure that all accumulated data is cleared. Make sure to check the options for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. By selecting these, you ensure that any data potentially causing the connection issue is removed. Once you have both of these boxes checked, go ahead and click on Delete Data. This action will clear the selected data, and quite often, this alone can resolve the error message you're encountering. After you've cleared your data, try accessing the website again to see if the problem persists. By following these steps, you often resolve the core issue of the Your Connection is Not Private error on Chrome, allowing you to continue your browsing session safely. Remember, these steps are practical and can be done in succession to effectively troubleshoot the problem. Keep in mind that having an updated browser and maintaining good browsing security practices also contribute to fewer errors in the future. If these steps do not resolve your issue, it could be worth checking other factors, like your internet connection, or reach out to technical support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and solutions.